Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ahana and here we talk about all things related to stationery, planners, productivity, organization and in general trying to live your best life. And if that interests you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're about 10-11 days away from Rakhi and I think most of us right now are just scouring all the e-commerce sites to get our siblings the perfect gift. And if your siblings are stationery addicts like I am, then I think I might have just the item for them. Recently, I went online and found this beautiful Rakhshabandhan kit by Paperkraft. For those of you who don't know, Rakhshabandhan is this Indian festival where sisters tie this band, thread or amulet called Rakhi on their brother's wrists and pray for their long life, and there's usually like an exchange of gifts and brothers kind of take this vow to protect their sisters, and it's like a very wholesome family gathering. It's a beautiful occasion. So I have actually not come across any like stationery kits or bundles which is specifically targeted for this festival, and this was the first time that I found something. So I thought let's do a unboxing and quick review and like first impressions of it. So in case any of you feel like buying this, you can get this. So let's get into it. First of all, this is a really light box and it contains a rollerball pen, a keychain and a Rakhi band. It's priced at ₹500, but I got it off of Amazon for about $3.99. So there is always some discount going on, especially right now. So you should check that out. Yeah, let's open it up. So this looks really pretty. It says capped it impresses, uncapped it expresses. So that was beautiful. A very nice quote to say about a pen. The pen itself looks very premium. It has this matte black body with the golden rims and it has this very thick barrel like design and seems like it will be very comfortable to hold. We will do a pen test just after we see whatever is in the box. Then you have a keychain, pretty standard. It's a metal keychain, so it's pretty sturdy also. I like it. And then finally you have the Rakhi. It's pretty designed, like it's pretty minimal. I think if you give this to your brothers, they will be very happy to receive it. Especially if you live in different places, this would be a really sweet gift to give them. And it's also really useful. So let's try to do a pen test and see how this performs. So it says that it's a blue rollerball pen. And actually it doesn't say the color. It says that it's a rollerball pen. So let me see how it does. I'm just going to write a little bit because I intend to gift this, so I will gift wrap it and everything. So I just want to write a few words with it, and I'll just say. So it said that it was a rollerball pen, but it didn't really feel like a rollerball pen. Like the ink kind of looks like very similar to a fountain pen ink, and also the pigment is really unique. It's not the usual rollerball blue or the gel pen blue that you would see, so that is really impressive. And I like the barrel like design, and I like the way that here you can hold it, like the grip area. It does not have like a rubber padding, so that would have been an added bonus. But even without that, this, if you hold it at this part of the barrel, like the thicker part, it's pretty comfortable to hold. And the ink flow was really smooth. There was no amount of staggering flow, and there is a little amount of ghosting at the back of it, like wherever I have applied a little bit extra pressure, I can see the ghosting, but it did not smudge at all. And I think as a gift pack, this is really nice because it also comes with the Rakhi, which is like the main purpose of the occasion. And it's not just a gift, it's also like a little bit of your sentiment, your emotions that you're giving. And if they appreciate good stationery, then you cannot go wrong with Paperkraft. So I think you can definitely try that. Overall, I would say it's like a really nice compact gift set, and it's very cute and it is affordable. So it would make for a good gift. Even if you are a student and you want to give something to your siblings, I think this would be a really nice one. So yeah, today's video was pretty short and I just quickly found this. So I wanted to come here and give you that recommendation. So don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next week for a really interesting video. Bye.